Good afternoon, everybody. ARM Holdings. Yes, AI mover, AI chips, that's what it does. They have been public for over a year, and we can see that we spiked to 108. The stock is currently up $24 as we speak. After hours trading with Tommy Trader during the earnings reporting session could make you a lot of money, and that it can do. We broke out, and not only that, when we call the Hall of Fame, this is definitely one, and I can show you why. The $95 calls were 14 cents. You could have bought a lot of them. The $90 calls were 31 cents, and they're going to go up to $8 or $9. Yes, this is Hall of Famer. Once again, the $87 calls on ARM Holdings. You see it, 45 cents, and you can see all the buying that was going across here. Now, granted, it delivered on the report with its AI capabilities. Tommy Trader. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Enjoy our new site. Get all your ideas, all your trading setups right from there.